MORFEUS arkitekter was engaged by clients Astrid and Henrik Botten Torbel to design a new home on their recently inherited property, Storbyhagen 24 in Oslo. The result is a contemporary, unique architectural object with a distinctive local, historical anchoring. The terrain falls steeply, approximately 30 meters in a westerly direction, and the site is characterized by tall pine trees amidst a splendid view towards the Oslo Fjord in the southwest. Typical functionalistic detailing and the use of colors in the exterior and interior have therefore been reintroduced. Yet with a more modern twist on architectural expression, detailing, and floor plans. The original layout of the floor plans involved a lot of corridor space and subdivided, separate rooms. The new floor plans for the house are almost a mirror image, with large open living areas around a central core consisting of kitchen, wash, and bathrooms. Vertical openings up and down from the ground floor living areas provide more contact between different floors and provide a new openness to the house that otherwise has a limited 2-4 meter ceiling height. The property's location is magnificent with a beautiful view of the Oslo Fjord and the proximate tall pine trees. Contact with the surroundings was limited in the original house as the windows were quite small, but are now taken to full extent through large windows from floor to ceiling. The use of color both inside and outside is generally inspired by the color scheme of the functionalism period, and also by the client's colorful grandmother. Existing floor beams, chimneys, fireplaces, and large parts of the outer wall construction have been preserved and used. At the same time, new windows and doors have been installed, and the external walls and roof have been insulated to match today's energy standards.